So guys, here I'm going to request the environment to stud directly through the Vlocity link. I will enter my information like the other way, and for the company field I can enter any company I know that works with Salesforce. I believe that there is no issue with that. In my case, I'm going to use main site, and I'm gonna sing me up. So a month later I will receive an email, and will have my credentials. So as you can see, there is a link to access the environment, and I'm going to copy this. Also there is an experiential date, and I'm going to copy this and enter my environment using my credentials. I suggest you to change the standard password, and there you go. This is the Vlocity environment, and you can find here all the OmniStudio tools as well. Here there is everything, and as you saw in the other way to request an org, but I prefer to use this one. The other one has a lot of bugs and issues that I have no idea why happened, but this one is more stable, and there is some templates in here, like it's some pre-configured templates, including scripts, FlexCards, DataMapper, and integration procedures. There are already set up with the environment, making it like easier to get started. You can take a look, and maybe helps you in some way. It's still saying that it's DataMapper, but you may notice that we are not saying DataMapper anymore. It's DataMapper. It's Salesforce recently made this change as part of an update to improve the consistency of its naming conventions. I guess the goal is to better reflect the tool functionality and rendering and mapping data efficiently. So that's it. I hope that maybe it helped you in some way. It's a simple video just to show you and maybe help you to request your environment, and I hope to see you in the next video, and we are going to get started with hands-on practice as soon as possible. That's it. Subscribe on my channel. I hope that you enjoy it, and please give me a like. Kisses, bye.